What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is T. Thank you so much for stopping in. Don't be a stranger. Hit that subscribe button and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss an upload. If you're returning, welcome back. We're making a super quick and easy dinner recipe. Today is Wednesday. That means that we have church tonight, and this is a quick dinner that I can make before we go. And I'm also super stumped between Thanksgiving and Christmas. Like, you eat everything that you could imagine on Thanksgiving, and then for Christmas you have half of what you ate on Thanksgiving. It's one of those things that literally everybody loves. It's chicken quesadillas. Who doesn't love chicken quesadillas? I promise you, it's so easy. You're gonna be like, why did you even make a video for this? You should have put this on Instagram. I did. Go follow me on Instagram. Information's in the description box. Let's go. All right, guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is make the sauce that goes on the quesadillas because it needs to set up in the refrigerator for an hour. So I'm gonna use half a cup of sour cream. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I use light mayonnaise, but you can use whatever you want. This is garlic powder. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and this is a half, so I'm gonna add 2 of these. Half a teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of paprika. Then, just for a little bit of a kick, I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne. I literally only add a little bit because I'm not huge on spicy foods. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're just gonna mix this up. And then I'm just gonna pop this in the refrigerator. And I'm gonna let this chill for an hour. So sometimes what I do to cook my chicken is I put it in a cast iron skillet. And I actually was gonna do that tonight. Changed my mind. I am actually gonna use, I'm gonna use the Copper Chef. I absolutely love this thing. We got this on Black Friday like 2 years ago, and it was such a great investment because the cleanup is so fast and easy, and I just have to kind of like wipe it out and go, versus cleaning up the entire stove because all of the splatter and stuff. And I'm also going to be using this Black & Decker. This is a griddle. This is what we're going to cook the quesadillas on. I'm just gonna take some olive oil and I'm gonna pour it all over the chicken. And then I'm just gonna rub it into the chicken. Now I'm gonna go in with some spices, but I'll show you what I'm using. So I've thrown in 2 teaspoons of butter, and I am gonna add in some olive oil. So another reason that I really love using this versus anything on the stove is because this can fit 6 chicken breasts in it, which is perfect because I usually fix anywhere from 5 to 6 at the same time. So while that is cooking, I'm just going to go ahead and add spices to the other side of the chicken. If you all have not tried this, this is amazing. So these are the spices that I use to season the chicken. Frame this for a second so you guys can take a screenshot if you want to refix this. Chicken is ready to flip. The rest of the chicken is done. It looks so good. And I'm just gonna put it in the microwave about 10 minutes. It's not, the microwave is not on. I am just simply leaving it in there so that it can stay warm, and I'm gonna let it rest for about 10 minutes before I start to chop it up for the quesadillas. So while we're waiting on the chicken to rest, I'm just gonna finish cleaning up. Like I said, this is why I love this thing, because I literally can put it in here, wash it, and then be done with cleanup like that. It smells good? Yes. Letting the chicken rest for about 10 minutes allows those juices just to stay on the inside, and the chicken is so tender. I'm just gonna chop it up and get ready for our quesadillas. So I've added the tortilla shells to a hot griddle just to brown it a little bit. Then I'm gonna pull it off, add some sauce, and that's gonna allow the cheese and the chicken to stick. Once I've added chicken to one side, I'm just gonna flip the other side on top of it. I don't have a grilled press, but this works just as good. It's a cute little cast iron skillet, and it's gonna help me to press all of the stuff together. Once both sides are brown, I'm just gonna lightly use this pizza cutter and cut it into 4s. Sometimes I make it with vegetables. This is without, but I will insert a clip to show you what it looks like with some tomatoes and avocado added. So I'm just gonna grab a bowl and put the rest of this sauce in here, because King likes to dip his quesadillas in there, so. Was it good?
It was very good.
Tell the people how good it was.
It was very good. It wasn't as good as sweet potato casseroles that we had for Thanksgiving.
Y'all, he's been obsessing. He has been obsessing
really
over this sweet potato casserole that I made.
As I should. It was good.
It was okay.
Okay.
Like, literally, he's been obsessing over it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that it inspired you to go make a quick and easy dinner for your family. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. If you're not subscribed, of course, hit that subscribe button before you leave. We'll see you in the next one.
See you guys.
Bye.